This the God flow that murders you John Does, then reincarnate him out of the dust from the cosmos. Crazy is the God flow, only God knows. Crazier than Donald Trump having nuclear launch codes.
Y'all know what it is, your boy Starboy Slim. We back in the building, Gold Teeth Canada. Shout out to the first 4 winners for the 4 grills.
Grill gang.
Now check it out, I got 3 prizes to give away. First place prize, $1,500 trip voucher.
Flying
anywhere in the world, and you got to use it till December.
City.
Second place prize, 4 sets of grills. Third place prize, we're giving away 15 $10 iTunes gift cards. And all you gotta do, subscribe to Starboy Slim channel, subscribe to the Canadian Diamond Boy channel, like the post, comment done, and make sure you turn on the post notification bell. And this giveaway, 5,000 subscribers.
Dow Jones ain't here, but follow that shit.
My pen is penicillin. Don't be mad cause your fans are about as dumb as the one spinning in a cylinder.
Just came off the flight, tired. It's my birthday. Happy birthday to me. Thank God for seeing another birthday. And yeah, it's gonna be a good birthday week. I got a party in Calgary on Friday, and boom, come back to Edmonton, another party on Saturday. Yeah, it's gonna be crazy. Y'all stay tuned. Thank you.
I start at 10, so oh my god. You always do this. Like I start at 10.
Hi Toya.
Hi Slim.
It's the next day. I'm at Toya's Hair Glow. About to get my hair done. Tired. Had a good birthday. Chilled out. Kicking with my daughter. Never vlogged it though. But you guys will see her one day. When my hair's done, I'll be back. Boom! And my hair's done. Not bad at all. Huh?
Don't forget.
Detail, Edmonton, the best. Toya Hair Glow. So I get it, everyone's talking about Gucci, but I don't care. Only 11. No size 13 slippers. Rah.
Take your time to go from there.
What's going on? Back with another one. Oh man, y'all really got that?
Yo. My teeth are yellow, but my diamonds are white. What's up?
Why did you guys make those?
Okay. You just been What's up, dog?
Everybody's in the building.
Fucking working, dude. We're shipping, we're molding, we're getting it, we're grilling.
Molds are in.
Dow Jones got all the pens. What's up? What's up? We got them diamond picture frame pendants.
Whose pendant is that?
This one's some real hood shit right here.
That's crazy, bro.
What do you think? 3D. We're gonna set diamonds all over this bitch. We gotta move all these money around and shit. Got the gun, bam, bam. Put a silencer on there and shit. Crazy stone setting in the scepter.
That's a healthy frog.
Yeah, it's been working out and shit, you know? You mean, we're putting a grill on them too, of course, naturally.
Damn.
Yes, sir.
Grill orders are going out. Come on, man. Y'all know who it is.
Yeah.
Y'all know who it is. Mr. Oilers, famous on TV.
Oil gang.
Only place to be is Gold Teeth Canada.
Oh, yeah. Man, are you guys seeing this? These guys got too much money.
Yeah.
You know the vibe where I'm at. Island Grill. Man, so right now I'm at, what's it called, Oliver Square at that new Good Life gym. Gonna get that workout in with my boy Crime. Yeah. See them stairs? I'm just too lazy to walk up the stairs right now, so I'm just taking an elevator, just to be honest.
Crime.
We out here, putting in our work. Crime Grind, special edition. Starboy Slim, take it to the world.
We're gonna get that workout in right now. So we're in Calgary, just got to the Airbnb. It's pretty nice though, check it out.
Not bad. This is like the first room.
It's nice, got a walk-in closet.
Bathroom over here. Not bad. Second bedroom over here. Look at that view though, man. Damn. It's a nice view. Nope. Kitchen. Table. The view though, the view here is crazy. This is like the 25th floor. Not bad. Not bad at all. Yes, sir.
So tonight there's my party at Music. Party number 1. Then tomorrow back to Edmonton. Party number 2. Probably go eat some food. You know,
some stuff around Calgary. Let's go eat some food. You know what it is, Captain's boy. Yeah.
Walking around with this damn charger.
Hi, Trina.
Get out of here.
And Nix.
No.
We're about to eat some food right now. Man, if y'all like seafood, bro, yo, Captain Bill's where it's at, but just wait till the food comes though. Yo, the food is bad still, but it's not filling though, this is good food, you know what I mean? So we got the king crab legs, we got shrimp, Cajun fries, what's that, lobster?
Snow crab.
Snow crab, and a whole lobster. Whole lobster. Corey? Oh, all that food? Stuffed right now, but Calgary has a nice view. I like it though. Yeah, it's at downtown Calgary. Not bad. Yes, sir. You guys see the Instagram, Sophia Exquisite Events.
The last of my parents went to his house.
Doing a decoration for my birthday tonight at Music. Yes, sir. Make sure y'all go follow the page.
Okay, yeah, I will move them.
Okay, thank you, brother.
Yeah, sounds good.
Oh, yeah.
JP!
What's good, man? Hey, Starboy Slim birthday tonight, baby. Music nightclub. We're going in. Ah.
Honestly, that is a view. Calgary? Yeah. This is the only reason I would buy something like this. Just for the view. Nothing else. So nice. Ooh, taking a jet.